Welcome to the Company Value Investor channel. In today's video, I am going to analyze the Sprint company. And the way that I'm going to analyze it is by focusing on the company itself and not the stock using fundamental analysis. In other words, I will utilize their financial statements. Things to remember: if you like the topic and you want more videos, subscribe. If you like this video, thumbs up. If you don't like this video, thumbs down. And if you have time, please leave a comment. If you would like me to analyze a company, send me the name, email me the name of the company, and I will make a video out of it. The symbol for the Sprint company is S. The current price per share is $8 per share. The low is $3, the high is $9, 2016. Here we have all the current information for the Sprint company, and on the left side we have the ratios that a lot of financial analysts or gurus use to conduct their own analysis. The first sector or the first item is the percentage that the company needs or must earn in order to meet the expectations of both their creditors and the owners. In 2016, Sprint had to have at least made 11%, 11.2%. The second sector or second item is the amount of capital that the company must earn in order to meet its obligations. A positive number shows that it is an excellent performer. In 2016, the Sprint company had a -7. And the third item is the real earnings of the company, not the net profit, but the real earnings. In 2016, they had a -1. And the fourth item is the amount of capital that the company needs to maintain its current operations. So they have a -5. Bad year 2016. 2015, 11.5%, -8, -2, -3, all negatives in 2015. And also another bad year. 2014, 12%, -7, -1. Here we have a positive number, which tells me that in 2014 the Sprint company had enough or excess capital that they were able to run their operations and still had some capital left over. This is a good thing. However, the fact that they have negatives here and negative earnings tells me that it was a bad year. Good year, but overall it was a bad year. 2013, they have a -8, -2, another positive number here. 90% of all companies tend to have negative numbers because that's the amount that they use to run their operations. So the last 2 years, 2013 and 2014, Sprint has done something good in this sector here. So they've had more than enough capital to run their operations, and at the end of 2013 and 2014, they actually had an excess amount. That's why it's a positive. Overall, though, it was a bad 3 or 4 years for the Sprint company. The question is, would I invest in this company? No. No, I wouldn't. They had too many negatives, and the only good thing that I saw in this analysis, in my opinion, was the fact that in 2013 and 2014 they have positives for this section here. But other than that, everything else was negative. So again, would I invest in this company? No. This concludes this video. As always, take care and remember to keep investing.